What's up, YouTube? It's Mathab checking in back with another video. We in the Redeye today, and as you can see, it's hella rainy. In the last video, someone said I should swing it more, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. My tires on the car actually bald, so I got these brand new Chinese joints. I got one here and one's in the trunk. I'm gonna go to America's Tires, get them slapped on, and then do some donuts out because it is wet, so it's not gonna mess up the tires as bad, which is good for me because I could get some nice content for YouTube and also throw it up on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram. It's sikh.hellcat. I'll put it up right here. I post much more on there. On YouTube, I'm much less consistent, but you know, I've been trying to post more as I go. It is wet today, and my tires are absolutely bald, so I'm kind of sketched out driving, but this is fourth gear. Let me just show you. It just spins, and you can see the traction light right there. But yeah, I'm just driving chill, taking the back roads to America's Tires. We're gonna get these nice little Chinese burners thrown on, and then go back to the yard and do some donuts for you. Hopefully it stops raining, but if it doesn't, oh well, cameraman will just have to get a little wet. This is cutting power. It's just in auto. Let me throw it in custom. Now it'll spin like fucking. You can see it spins all the way up to fifth gear, gets completely sideways. I mean, these 275s don't really do too good hooking anyways, and then it's rainy and they're bald, so it's not a very good combination. But we're gonna get these tires thrown on. I'll check in back with you guys once I'm at the tire shop. Been waiting for like 10 minutes, went inside and paid. Bro told me to pull in my car after that white truck leaves, so I'm gonna pull in my car. My little cousin in the scat's gonna swing his car too, so you guys will get to see that as well. This is what the passenger side looks like. It's not too bad though. The driver's side is way worse. Nice Hellcat suspension. The driver's side one is way worse. I think bro already got it off. Let me show you guys that one. This is the driver's side one. It's not that bad, but yeah, that's the driver's side one. We're gonna get the new ones thrown on and we'll be ready to swing. One's going on, other one's getting filled up with air, and we'll be dipping in like 5 minutes. I don't know if you can hear me, but bro wanted me to do a burnout, so I was like, fuck it, I'll do a burnout for you, bro. So hopefully he can send me the footage and it's clean so I can use it in the video, but I'm gonna do a nice little burnout when I dip. And bro said he wants to see a burnout, and I gotta give the people what they want, you feel me? So I'm gonna do it over here so they don't get too mad. There you guys go. Nice little burnout. Fuck. Hella smoky. Can't see shit. Don't fucking hit me. Left a fat ass cloud. Hella smoke in my car too, bruh. Fuck. But now we're on the way to the yard. Made it back to the yard. It's kind of dark now, but we got the Redeye right there, the scat. We got my brother's High Country. This has a 4-inch lift with some 22x12 American Forces. This shit's clean. It's dirty now, but it's a nice little truck. We had it for about like a year now. It's cool though. He loves it. It's his daily. I got this fool like a bed cover. It has starlight to match the Redeye. It has I swapped out these lights for LEDs and these, but now MSA is about to go swing the scat. Oh. Bro got a little sketchy right there. Man, bro's brakes are squeaky. Stock ass exhaust scat. And no intake, no nothing, because this fool got reffed, but it's a nice little stock thing with some red guts. There we go. We'll get the Redeye started. MSA just pulled in. It's my turn. Damn, she sounds good. Redeye looking clean. We'll get swinging, boys. Bro said he wanted to swing the high country on forces. Is crazy. Oh, it wasn't much of a swing. MSA's going crazy in the Model Y. And the Model Y performance is crazy. I'm gonna send this shit to his mom. Oh, one wheel peel. But yeah, we got the Redeye here. Just swung it, had some fun, and my tires are bald once again. I'll let you guys take a look at them. They're not too bad, but I don't have that much tread. The burnouts definitely killed them, but it's not too bad. She's kind of dirty, but we'll get it washed up tomorrow. How's this side looking? Nah, we're chilling. We still got some tread. I can still whip it and shit. MSA's going again. Holy shit. Bruh. This was tripping, but you guys got to see the Hellcat, the scat swing. Let me know if you guys like the swinging content. I know it wasn't too crazy. In reverse is fucking crazy. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know what kind of content you guys want me to record. More swinging, more racing. I want to get some races in, but it's been kind of shitty weather, so hopefully the weather clears up so we could get some runs in. But I appreciate you guys for watching.